The first aluminum foil was produced in 1903 and in 1911. It was used as packaging for toddler tone chocolate bars, from Switzerland. Thanks to this, the chocolates were kept longer and could be sent further. Nowadays around 5 million tons of aluminum foil are used worldwide every year. But have you ever wondered how it's made? Pure aluminum is obtained by refining bauxite, a mineral rich in aluminum oxides. Bauxite is mined from open pits or underground mine, and undergoes a chemical process called bayerization. The bauxite is crushed and mixed with sodium hydroxide, dissolving the aluminum components and separating other minerals as solid waste. The resulting solution is filtered and purified to obtain pure alumina, a chemical compound of aluminum oxide. The alumina is then put through an electrolysis process, where it is dissolved in an electronic bath and subjected to a strong electoral current. This separates the pure aluminum from the alumina, depositing it on the cathode of the system. Pure aluminum is collected and cast into ingots or blocks known as billets. Subsequently, the pure aluminum billets undergo a meticulous rolling process to obtain thin and flexible sheets, essential characteristics of aluminum foil. Once the aluminum billets are obtained, they're subjected to high temperatures to increase their malleability. Then through hot rolling they are passed through rollers that apply controlled pressure, gradually reducing their thickness and obtaining thinner and more uniform sheets. Subsequently, cold rolling is carried out where the sheets are cooled and again subjected to rollers to refine their thickness and achieve a smooth and shiny surface. Precision rolling is crucial in aluminum foil manufacturing, as it determines its quality and performance. Each process stage is carefully monitored, from temperature control to the pressure applied by the rollers, to ensure that the sheets meet established standards. This process ensures that the aluminum foil has the strength to withstand extreme conditions, without compromising its structural integrity. Cold rolling reduces the thickness of aluminum and improves its surface finish, removing blemishes and providing a smooth, shiny surface characteristic of aluminum foil. In addition, it gives the sheets more resistance and flexibility, facilitating their handling and use in various applications. To prevent oxidation and adhesion, an aluminum oxide coating is applied that acts as a barrier against corrosion, guaranteeing the integrity of the aluminum foil during its useful life. In addition to coating, special lubricants are applied that make aluminum easier to handle and manipulate during manufacturing. These lubricants reduce the friction between the blades and the rollers, ensuring smooth and uniform sliding and avoiding unwanted deformations. These protective layers and special lubricants guarantee the product's flexibility, manageability, and resistance, allowing its application in various industries, from food packaging to the manufacturer of industrial components. At this point, the coated and lubricated aluminum sheets are finally transformed into the aluminum foil we all know. With its distinctive shine and characteristic flexibility, a series of special rollers are used to stretch and thin the aluminum sheets in a controlled manner, applying pressure and tension. In manufacturing aluminum foil, precise cutting, packing, and distribution are the last stages before reaching the final customer. After obtaining the aluminum foil coils, a precise cut is made to obtain rolls of specific dimensions, avoiding waste and optimizing their use. These packaged rolls are placed in high-quality boxes or containers for distribution. Aluminum foil packaging is done considering both the visual presentation and the protection of the product. Attractive and quality packaging is sought that transmits confidence in the aluminum foil, in addition to implementing security measures to guarantee that it arrives in optimal conditions at the final destination. Distribution of aluminum foil is carried out through different channels, such as supermarkets, kitchen supply stores, and industrial suppliers, satisfying customers' needs locally and internationally. So, how was the manufacturing process of aluminum foil? Also comment the manufacturing process of things that you wish to see. We will do a video of that with their names which who recommended. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.